Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inkem, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this 13x4 lace front wig from Celie hair. You guys, this hair is from Celie hair and is your 13x4 lace front wig. Let me just show you guys everything that was sent alongside with the hair. We have a booklet here that contains details about the hair, how to care for the hair, and they have a wig cap. Also, they sent a pair of eyelashes, is a 3D mink lashes, and a headband. So this is everything that was sent alongside this wig. Here guys, this is what the hair looks like. The hair came pre-plucked. You guys see it came pre-plucked. So this is what the coils looks like. It's a water wave 13x4 lace front wig and is in length 24. You guys, this hair is long and it's just giving me a different kind of vibe altogether. So let me show you guys the construction of this wig cap. It has 4 combs, 2 by the sides, 1 on top, and then 1 at the down. It also has an adjustable strap. I'm going to start by flattening the front of this wig because I want the front to be really flat, and I'm going for a side part look. So I'm going to use my wax stick to apply on the hair first before using my hot comb to, you know, lay it down, make it really flat. And as always, I'm going to leave all details of this unit in the description box, so you guys should check my description box for more details on this unit.
Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No.
Here guys, this is what I have. I'm going to, you know, darken the lace net a bit so that it blends very well with my skin. So I'm using my powder to apply on the lace net before I install this wig.
It's happened for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made.
For the installation of this wig, I'm going to do it in sections. So I'm going to use my scissors to cut the lace net, like cut it in 2 places at the front so I can install it in sections.
Of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild.
I'm using the got to be glue to install this wig, so I'm just going to start applying the got to be glue in sections.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made
I'm going to apply water and my styling mousse on the hair and then just brush it out, and you guys see how juicy, how beautiful these coils are. The coils are really beautiful, guys. I'm just going to tie this up so that it will melt properly, and then I'm just going to do my makeup. You guys, the transformation here is something else. This beauty here, it is something else, guys. My makeup today is given, you know.
this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget.
So I'm just going to take out a little hair at the front and then do the baby hair, and you guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. And as always, I'm going to leave all details of this unit in the description box, so you guys should check my description box for more details on this unit I'm wearing. This is a 24-inch water wave 13x4 lace front wig. This is a very good quality hair. Like, the quality of this hair is top notch, guys. This is a good hair. So that is it for this video, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.